Hey, hey. Um, okay, wait. Laugh softly. Let's start again. Hey, loves. Welcome back to the channel if you're new here. I'm Jennifer Angular, and I basically help you find the best beauty and fashion stuff that doesn't break the bank and actually works. And today, girl, we're talking about something so real. Affordable hair wigs that actually look natural. Like, yes, we're done with the helmet wigs, the shiny Barbie hair, all that. So if you've ever stared at your screen for hours like, is this gonna look real on me though? You're in the right place. This is your go-to guide for every girl who wants to slay a wig without maxing out her card, okay? Number 1 is a game changer, so don't miss number 1. All the product link in the description. So, if you're looking for best human hair wigs, stick around. I have a $10 off with free shipping discount code available, link in description, or visit cutpromo.com. Let's dive in. Number 5, women medium length brown hair. This right here points to wig. It's from a brand called Miss Queen. Yep, like Miss Queen because, duh. I found it on Amazon and y'all. Exhales with a laugh. It's synthetic, but it does not look like costume hair. Like this ain't giving Halloween. It's giving, I woke up like this. And my coffee's already made. So let's break it down real quick. It's medium length. The color is this soft, natural, brown-like. Not too red, not too ashy, just right in the middle, you know? And the cut? Girl, it's like that lived-in layered thing that looks good on every face shape. Okay, so, little honesty moment, I was scared this would come in the mail and just be, like, shiny plastic. But I put it on and was like, wait a minute, this actually looks like a fresh blowout. Like, real human hair vibes. And it's heat resistant too, so you can curl it or straighten it if you're feeling fancy. And the best part? It's like under 30 bucks. I mean, where else can you get a whole hairstyle for the price of takeout? Number 4, natural appearance for everyday hairstyle. So here's the thing. This is a synthetic wig, but like, I don't know who told it that. Because this texture, this hairline, it is serving natural. Like, I wore it out to the store, and someone literally asked me if I'd gotten a silk press. I was like, no, babe, it's Amazon. What I love is it's not too thick, it's breathable, and it's the perfect everyday length. You can wear this to work, to class, for a casual coffee date, or even just for running errands when you want to look like you have your life together. And listen, I get it. Wigs can be overwhelming. Like lace fronts, glue, baby hairs, all of it sometimes. You're like, can I just get a cute wig I can throw on and go? And this one? This one is that wig. It's glueless, adjustable, beginner-friendly, literally check, check, check. I mean, it's under $30, y'all, like, that's less than dinner. And this lasts way longer than pasta. Number 3, inch brown long curly layered wigs. So this beauty is from a brand called HAIRCUBE. I found it on Amazon, literally just browsing. You know how it goes, you go in looking for one thing, and then you see a wig and you're like, wait a minute, is that me in a box? So I clicked, and y'all, I am so glad I did. This wig is, long. Like, real long. The curls are soft, bouncy not, crunchy, or stiff. And the color? It's that rich, chocolatey brown with subtle dimensions so it doesn't look flat or fake. And these layers? Girl, they frame your face like a romantic movie heroine. I'm obsessed. And let me just say I've worn a lot of wigs, okay? And sometimes the long curly ones can be a lot. Heavy, hot, tangly. But this one? It's lightweight, breathable, and actually wearable. Like, for real-life stuff. You can wear this on a date night, to brunch with the girls, or just when you need to feel like that chick on a random Tuesday. Also get this. It's like under $40. Tell me where else you're getting a full transformation for that price. I'll wait. Number 2. Can change colors. Glueless wigs human hair. So what makes this special? Besides the fact that it's real human hair and glueless, so no messy glue or long-installed dramathy, actual gag is, it changes color based on temperature or light. Like, hello, hair sorcery. See? It shifts from this rich dark tone to this soft reddish brown. It's subtle. It's not like rainbow mood ring vibes. It's more like elegant, shapeshifter, princess vibes. You feel me? And it's not just a cute trick, this wig is actually wearable. It's got adjustable straps, pre-plucked hairline, it's breathable, and like zero glue needed. I literally just throw it on, adjust the edges, fluff it out, and go. And if you're like me, and I know some of y'all are, sometimes you just want to look put together without, trying so hard, you know? This wig makes it feel like you tried, even when you didn't. It's giving, I woke up like this, but make it temperature sensitive. So if you've been thinking about switching it up or just want to try something fun and actually practical, I think this color-changing glueless wig is a game changer. Number 1, HAIRCUBE Human Hair Wig. So here's the thing, I've tried a lot of wigs, okay? Some good, some that made me look like I had a mop on my head. But this one? This HAIRCUBE one? Oog, it's so soft, like real hair. 'Cause, well, it is real hair. And like Possacan, we talk about this cut? It's this shoulder-length, layered vibe that just frames your face perfectly. I feel like I walked out of a salon, even though I just clipped it on, no lie. And y'all, it's glueless. No mess, no stress, no sticky fingers or scalp drama. I literally throw it on, adjust the straps inside, and boom done. Ready for selfies, ready for errands, ready for life. And I just want to say this for the girlies watching who are maybe struggling with their natural hair, or dealing with hair loss, or just want to switch it up without spending $1,000. You deserve to feel good about yourself. And something as simple as a good wig, it can change your whole energy. I'm telling you, this HAIRCUBE wig, it gave me that boost today. So yeah, if you've been scared to try wigs or you're just tired of spending too much, just know, you got options. You can be cute, confident, and still pay your rent. I'll link all my current fave affordable wigs below, and let me know in the comments if you want a Wig 101 beginner series or a lace melting tutorial, cause I got you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell so we stay connected, alright? Love you guys, bye.